Hi, I'm Chris with Autoscope, and this is the Autoscope Minute. We're starting to get a little bit of cooler weather in Texas, and that means that soon we'll actually have some possible freezing temperatures. So when we get those freezing temperatures for that whole solid week, we want to make sure that the engine is protected in the car. The coolant in the vehicle not only keeps the engine from overheating, but it also keeps the water that's mixed with the coolant from freezing. It actually takes the temperature down to, if it's at the proper mixture, about negative 25 degrees, which we're certainly not going to see here in Texas. A lot of times when coolant gets low, sometimes shops and owners themselves will actually just top it up with water. And that's not a terrible thing, except when you wind up overlaying the mixture too much, then there's more water than any freeze, and it actually raises the freezing point. Sometimes we do get into the teens here, and if you have just water in your engine block, that can either crack the block, crack a water pump, or burst a hose. That'll leave you stranded. One of the other things that people typically don't think about is the windshield washer fluid can also freeze. A lot of times it's just water with sometimes a concentrate. They actually make windshield washer fluid that will go below freezing, and if it freezes, the same thing happens. It'll crack the tank or damage the pump or burst the lines, leading to an expensive repair that is really not needed. I'm Chris with Autoscope. Please post any of your comments and questions down below. We'll get to them as soon as we can.